Hello, this is an unboxing of the NUC 8i7HVK. These have been delayed by a couple of months. So let's see what all the fuss is about. This has the Radeon Vega M graphics on the same die as quad-core Intel CPU, so this is a pretty special product. There's the computer, some packing foam, some screws, there's the Visa mounting plate, which I will not be using, and here's the insanely huge power supply. This is about the same size as the previous Skull Canyon NUC. Have some literature, power supply, warranty information, and that's it. The box is very nicely designed. It's a wedge shape. Looks like it's been dropped from a considerable height there, but hopefully it'll still work. So there we are, that's the unboxing. We have a sticker that you never thought would happen. Intel and AMD on the same chip. Thank you.